plants have grown well.
Because I water it every day.
Wait pa, have you ever thought of how these plants really grow? Have you ever wondered about the scientific processes behind it?
What do you mean?
You see, energy flows throughout the air through sunlight and exits by form of heat. However, chemical components are different whereas they get recycled.
All nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus are being recycled instead of being replenished. These cycles are known as biogeochemical cycles. Nitrogen is the most abundant element in the atmosphere. Nitrogen enters through bacteria, and single-cell prokaryotes then convert them into biologically usable forms like ammonia in a process called nitrogen fixation. These are passed into animals when plants are eaten and incorporated into bodies of animals, digested and excreted as waste, like urea found in urine. Nitrogen gas doesn't remain forever on bodies of living organisms. Instead, it is converted from organic nitrogen back to nitrogen gas by bacteria. Nitrogen from dead organisms are converted into ammonia by bacteria, then into nitrates, and finally as nitrogen gases by denitrifying prokaryotes.
Hey, you forgot about something.
Huh? Forget about what?
Phosphorus cycle.
The phosphorus cycle is slow compared to other biogeochemical cycles. Phosphorus is found mostly in forms of phosphate ions. These compounds are found in sedimentary rocks and by weathering, it slowly leaches into surface water and soil. Phosphate compounds in the soil can be taken up by plants and be transferred to animals which eat the plants. When plants and animals excrete waste or die, phosphates may be taken up by detritivores such as earthworms or returned to the soil for a cycle to begin again. Most fertilizers used in agriculture and on lawns and gardens contain both nitrogen and phosphorus, which may be carried to aquatic ecosystems in surface runoff.
Nitrogen and phosphorus are limiting nutrients, which has the shortest supply, thus it limits the growth of the organism. When nutrients are limiting, adding more of it will increase growth. If you know, son, if you just help me instead of wasting your time bragging about those cycle of yours, you can finish this as early as possible. By the way, son, how can those things you mentioned earlier help farmers and the agricultural sector of our country?
Through learning about things like biogeochemical cycles, our scientists can develop equipments and techniques that can help improve the resiliency and quality of our crops from disease and disasters.
With the help of researches about scientific processes, such as the biogeochemical cycles, we can prevent massive starvation and improve agriculture for everyone.